Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your nickname badge in PUBG. First open the PUBG app. After that, top left corner you will see your profile icon. Tap on it. Once you are in your profile settings, tap on your profile icon again. Here you will see an option called change avatar. Tap on it. On the right hand side, you will notice several options available. Scroll down until you find nickname effect. This is the section where you can change your badge. You will find lots of options here. In my case, most of them are locked because I haven't played much yet. But you can unlock these effects by playing games or participating in events. Simply tap and select the one you will like. As you can see, it will show you an animation preview. Choose whichever effect you prefer. And that's it. You have successfully changed your nickname badge. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.